We already discussed the integers. Last day we discussed the integers. Now we can discuss about the properties of addition and the subtraction of integers. Okay, properties of addition and subtraction of integers. And first one, I can say you there is commutative property. Commutative property. Okay, commutative property means actually the property is like this. Suppose a and b are two integers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. Just we interchange the order. A plus b equal to b plus a. Okay, therefore that is known as, okay, just a plus b is just we can write like this. A plus b equal to b plus a. That is considered as commutative property. Suppose a equal to minus 3, b equal to 7. Just so we can find out a plus b first. A plus b equal to minus 3 plus 7. You know addition of positive and negative numbers. Minus 3 plus 7 means this we add, different sign is there, therefore we can subtract and put the greater sign. Therefore here answer is 4. Next we can find out b plus a. B plus a means 7 plus minus 3. Again we got answer 4. We got a plus b and b plus a, same answer. This is known as the commutative property of integers. And we can check another example also. A equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 5. Suppose a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 5. Just we can check that. A plus b first. A plus b is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5. Here both are negative numbers. What we done? Just we add the numbers, put the negative symbol. Therefore answer is negative 6. We can find out b plus a. B plus a is equal to negative 5 plus negative 1. What do you got answer? Negative 6. Here also we got same answer like that. A plus b is equal to b plus a. This is known as commutative property of addition for the integers. Okay, so it's known as commutative property. Next we can discuss associative property. Associative property. Next we can discuss associative property. Associative property means we need to consider three integers. After just I can write like here, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. This is associative property. Suppose three numbers a, b, c, just I can change the order, bracket will change. Here this meaning is like this. First we can add b and c, then you can add a. Here first we can add a and b, then c. That's the meaning. Clear? So first here the meaning is first we can done the brackets. LHS left hand side first we can find out, first we add b and c, then only we need to add a. And here first we can add a and b, then we can add c. Okay. Then so I can give an example, associative property. Suppose a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2, c is equal to then minus 7. Suppose like this. I can take a, b, c like this. Just we can verify that they satisfy associative property or not. Okay. Then first we can consider a plus b plus c. LHS we can find out like this. A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c means 3 plus b plus c means minus 2 plus minus 7. That is 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 is what? Both are negative numbers. Add the numbers, put the negative symbol. Therefore bracket becomes minus 9. Therefore here 3 plus minus 9. 3 plus minus 9 again a positive number and a negative number. What we done? Subtract, put the greater symbol. Okay, therefore here answer we got minus 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 is the greater one, therefore answer is minus 6. Therefore a plus b plus c we got minus 6. Now we can find out this also. A plus b plus c. First we can find out a plus b. The bracket is like that. So a plus b plus C. Just we can say also like that. We can read also like that. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Separate C is there. Okay, that's the mean. Here A plus B, first we need to run. A plus B means 3 plus minus 2. This is A plus B. Plus C is minus 7. Then 3 plus minus 2, positive and negative numbers. Subtract greater symbol. Therefore, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 is greater. Therefore, here answer we got 1. 1 plus here minus 7. Again positive and negative number, different sign. Subtract greater symbol. Therefore, 7 minus 1, 6. The greater number symbol minus 6. Here you got minus 6. Here also we got minus 6. This is known as associative property of integers. Commutative property and associative property. Okay, one more example I can give you. So you can take like this: A equal to minus 7, B equal to 3, C is equal to minus 11. So you can take like this A, B, C. We can verify that associative property. Okay, just we can explain. Therefore, first one A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Therefore, first we can find out the LHS. A plus B plus, substitute properly. A equal to minus 7 plus B plus C means 3 plus minus 11. That is minus 7 plus 3 plus minus 11 is what? Different symbol is there because 3 is positive, this is negative. Different symbol means subtract greater symbol. 11 minus 3, 8. Therefore, minus 8. Minus 7 minus 8, that is minus 15. Both are same symbol. Add numbers, put the greater symbol. Therefore, minus 15. And right sides A plus B. First we need to find out A and B. Here A equal to minus 7 plus B equal to 3 plus C. C is equal to minus 11. C is equal to minus 11. A, B, C we can substitute properly. Then minus 3, minus 7 plus 3. Different symbol. Subtract greater symbol. Therefore, minus 7 minus 3, 4, minus 7. Minus 4 plus minus 11. Both are negative numbers here. Two negative numbers, we can add the numbers and put the same symbol. Okay, so here we got answer minus 15. Here minus 15. Here also we got the same answer minus 15. This is known as associative property. Okay, commutative property. First one, A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is associative property of addition. Okay. So we can discuss additive identity. Additive identity means, suppose when we consider a number 5, I can give a chance, you can add a number to that. Answer, we need the first number. Which number you need to add? Suppose you consider number 5 plus dash equal to, we need again 5. What is the possible value here? That already you know. Yes, 0 is the possible. Okay, for here when we add 0, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Same way, minus 3 plus dash equal to minus 3. What is the possible value? Here again 0. Therefore, here 0 is known as additive identity. In the case of addition, which number is added to the number? Answer, we got the same number again. That is known as, okay, additive identity. Therefore, we can generally write like this: A plus 0 equal to A, that is equal to 0 plus A. When we add 0 to any number, always we got the same number answer. 0 is added to A, answer you got A. A is added to 0, we got the answer A. Therefore, this is known as, 0 is called additive identity. Okay, so 0 is called additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. Additive identity, that is 0. Okay. Next we can run some question. Already you know the addition. Okay. Already you know the addition. Now we can discuss some questions based on that. Okay. First question like this. Find two integers. Find two integers whose first question in that first question sum is minus 3. Find two integers whose sum is minus 3. You can add two numbers, two integers. Always we need the answer minus 3. Answer we need minus 3. Which other numbers possible? So many numbers is possible. Thus I can give 2 or 3 here. Suppose when we consider minus 5 plus 2, answer we got minus 3. Then minus 1 plus minus 2, we got answer minus 3. Always we need answer minus 3. Always we need answer minus 3. Okay, therefore, then 10 minus 10 plus 7. Again we got minus 3. Minus 7, minus 10 plus 7 equal to minus 3. Same way you can find out two numbers. I need answer minus 3. These two we can fill later. Okay, answer we need minus 3 always because sum is minus 3. The question is like this. Clear? Okay, the next question. Find two integers. Same. Find two integers whose, second question, sum is 10. Sum is 10. Integers means the positive numbers, negative numbers, all are possible. Okay. Suppose you know 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. That is natural numbers. You can consider the negative numbers. Okay. 8 plus 2 is possible. That's okay. Then negative 93 plus 103. Negative 93 plus 103. Answer we got 10. 10. Okay, anyway you can find out. 17 plus minus 7. Got answer 10. 17 plus minus 7 we got answer 10. Like this you can write two numbers. Answer I need 10. Answer I need 10. That you can fill that later. Okay. Sum is 10. You can find out like this. Any two numbers. Okay. Not two numbers only. So many numbers are possible. Just you can write like this only. If you got idea then you can fill these two. Answer we need 10. Sum. The next question like this. Find two integers whose difference is 5. Suppose we can take like this. Whose difference is 5. Whose difference is 5. You know that is in between always subtraction. Okay. Therefore 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. That is the difference. When we consider numbers 7 and 2, answer we got 5. Then 3 minus which number? Answer we need 5. 3 minus minus 2. Yes. 3 minus 2 because when two symbol like this together it becomes positive. When we write two numbers means the multiplication is there in. Okay, therefore minus becomes plus. Therefore 3 minus 2 means 3 plus 2. That is again you got 5. Again you got 5. Minus 3 subtract which one? Minus 3 subtract which one? Answer we need 5. Think about it. When we substitute 2, what happened? It becomes, when we substitute 2 here, it becomes minus 3 minus 2. Both are same symbol, it becomes minus 5. We need only 5. Therefore, We need to substitute here minus 8. What happens? Minus 3. Here minus becomes plus. Therefore, it becomes plus 8. Minus 3 plus 8 equal to what answer? 5. Okay, minus 3 plus 8, you got answer 5. Okay, then 2 minus which number? 2 minus which number? Yes, minus 3. 2 minus 3 also we got 5. Not small numbers, the big numbers also we consider 1995. Difference is 5. Anyway, the larger number also we can possible. 1 lakh minus 99,995, like that we can consider. Okay, anyway the difference we need 5. Okay, you can fill the second first number I can give you. Then minus 1 subtract this bracket you need to fill. Answer 5. Then 10 minus which number? Answer we need 5. One more I can give you. Minus 8 subtract dash equal to 5. This all brackets that you can fill later. You can find answer always we need the difference is 5. Okay? Yes. Next, fourth question. Find two integers whose sum is 0. Whose sum is 0. Sum we need 0. You know, when we add two numbers, answer is 0 means which numbers we need to consider? Yes, they have the different sign. They have the different sign. Suppose 3 plus minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0. 8 plus minus 8 equal to 0. When we take the different symbol, here 3 and minus 3, minus 2 and plus 2, minus 7 plus 7, plus 8 minus 8, like that. Same number with a different symbol. After addition, always we got 0. Always you got 0. Okay. One more I can give you. Difference is minus 1. Difference is minus 1. Already discussed the difference of the numbers. Okay. Difference I need minus 1. So I can give you 3 examples. Therefore, 3 minus which number here? Brackets. Minus 2 subtract here. This you can think about. After I can explain. Okay. Minus 7 subtract. We need to fill this brackets. Okay. Subtract 2. Always we need minus 1 answer. Always we need minus 1. Okay. We can fill. So we can fill. Suppose 3 minus dash equal to minus 1. 3 minus which number? Yes, 4. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1 because 4 minus 3 1 then 3 minus 4 minus 1. Say minus 2 minus dash equal to minus 1. Minus 2 which number we need here? Minus 2 plus 1 is actually minus 1. Therefore, here we can take minus 1. It becomes minus 2 minus minus become plus then minus 2 plus 1. Answer we got minus 1. Then minus 7 subtracts which number? Answer we need minus 1. I can take here minus 6 because minus 7 minus minus plus, that plus 6 becomes minus 1. And here also, here we need this one. There, okay, here minus 2 becomes minus 1. Which number we can take? Which number? I can take here 1 only. Therefore, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Like that you can find out the pairs of numbers. Difference is minus 1 like that. Okay. So, you can give you 9 minus this you can fill equal to answer we need minus 1. Minus 5 dash equal to minus 1. we need to fill these two. Okay, one more I can give you. Here 7, we need to fill this bracket equal to -1. Always I need answer -1. The difference means in between the subtraction symbol I can put here. The remaining this 1, 2, 3 box brackets you need to fill. Okay, yes.